Hello everyone, today I will introduce a high current short circuit tester produced in our city. This equipment complies with national 31UL 164, IEC 623, and other domestic and international relevant test standards. At present, you can see that this device has four gears, 1, 2, 3, 4, to meet the customer's multi-range tests, and use the explosion-proof box for related tests. Using the explosion-proof box, we can see lighting, smoke exhaust, electronic control, and so on. This is a camera. When the test is passed and lighting, you can conduct relevant test recordings and observe the test situation of the sample. We can also use remote fire extinguishing, smoke exhaust, and other related controls. Meet the customer's safety test requirements. The two devices are integrated into our short circuit machine remote controller. The tests can greatly ensure safety of personnel and also meet the relevant test standards and requirements. Different requirements. There are different devices we can customize according to the customer and gear to make relevant customization. Welcome friends to our company for negotiation. Thank you.